icy today. See this? We have branches covered in ice. In fact, ice is covering everything here. Trees so far. I don't know, that wire. I got a tree down over there. Just up. Got a tree down behind the thing. We got some sagging. We got a tree down by her pool. Now, that wire is drooping like hell. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's connected still, but barely. Okay. Well, come out here. And caked in ice, by the way. We got major treatage. That tree snapped. So it's on her car. Well, I guess most of it fell apart. Well, it weighs a lot. I guess the salt no longer makes any sense. Okay. So we got that. Another tree there. We got some wires. Getting moist then. Goodbye. Lights are out. Yeah. Lights are out there too. Ah, the lights are out. So, everywhere you go. Well, it seems to be us. Just us. That's the tree. Oh, what's this? The truck has come. Yeah, it's just us. Well, good thing I pruned that thing.
This is the aftermath of ICESTORM. I can't even get out my own house. Look at that, solid freaking ice. That is a tree that is on the power line, which is now sagging. That fell from up there. That's a big tree down there. Oh my god, Claude. Solid ice. Solid ice. No way to get rid of that. Look. Yeah, can't even pull it off. Ice is everywhere. Alan cutting up the pizza box. that we had for sustenance during the ice storm.
I left you a piece.
Oh, how lovely.
And you can have it with some goat cheese.
Oh, thank you.
Or help.
Going to the front. Oh, we tried to cut up this tree. It fell. We cleared the driveway so everybody could escape. Ooh. That's our attempts at cleaning it. Look at that. Look at those trees over there. Didn't make it.